Hi everyone, my name is Liam and we're here with another NOAM installation video guide. In today's video, we will show you everything you need to know about our latest innovation in the NOAM product line, the InBar. We'll show you everything from unboxing, features, wiring, installation process, and valuable tips to make your installation nice and smooth. The InBar speakers are available in two colors, black and white. They're equipped with illuminated LED lights on the front and the rear of the speaker. In the front of the speaker, there's a unique 10-inch by 4-inch dual NEO motor driver and a 2-inch titanium dome tweeter. At the back of the speaker, there is a 10-inch by 4-inch passive radiator for an increased bass experience. Those three components work together to create a massive audio experience with a power rating of 150 watts RMS for each speaker. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Inside the InBar Master Box, you'll find the InBar gift box, the HS2 amplifier gift box, and the NBC controller gift box. And these, as we mentioned before, are available in black and white. In the InBar gift box, you will find a pair of InBar speakers with attached 15 feet of wiring, mounting kit including clamps and inserts, a 10mm Allen key, spare plugs and heat shrink tubes, 4-channel LED driver, user manual, earplugs, and stickers. In the LED driver box, you will find your 4-channel LED driver, your remote control to select your colors and patterns, and your instruction manual. The InBar speakers can be purchased with 3 different mounting kits. The boat mounting kit provides you with a range of 2.25 inches to 2.75 inches round bar. The UTV mounting kit provides you with a range of 1.5 inch to 2 inch round bar. And the ATV and golf cart mounting kit provides you with 1 inch round bar and 1 inch square bar, depending on what machine you're installing. While placing the order, please pay attention to the kit you order so you receive the right clamps to fit your machine. To change the angle of the speaker, remove the clamp, then use the provided 10mm Allen key to slightly unscrew the M12 screw located inside the mount base. Now, lift the mounting base up and rotate. Each rotation is a 30-degree movement. Now let's connect everything together. Start with the HS2 amplifier. The HS2 amplifier comes with 8-foot power cables. Connect the red power cable of the HS2 amplifier to the positive 12-volt battery post. Then, run the black ground cable to the negative battery post. The NBC controller should be connected to an accessory post, bus bar, or any other non-constant 12-volt power source. This is to ensure that the NBC will see power only when the vehicle is turned on. Next, you should connect the HS2 amplifier's blue remote-in wire to the NBC's blue remote-out wire. As you can see, the NBC has 2 blue remote-out wires in case you are using 2 amplifiers. In our case, you're using only 1 amplifier, so we will utilize the other remote-out wire to energize the LED driver. The NBC Bluetooth controller has 2 RCA outputs labeled as AMP1 and AMP2. Take the RCA cable and connect the NBC's AMP1 RCA output to the HS2's RCA input. The NBC's AMP2 RCA output should remain untouched. Please make sure the dust caps of the RCA2 output remain closed and sealed. Important note, the HS2 amp has a sticker on the crossover panel. If you are using this kit with the MBC controller, we advise not changing the amp settings. It is already tuned to get the InBar speaker to the very edge of its capability. If you are using a different head unit, adjust the amp's crossover settings in accordance with the recommended settings of the head unit you are using. Overdriving the InBar speakers will result in damaged voice coils. Reach out to us if you are using a different head unit and need help tuning your amplifier. Connect the red power cable of the LED driver to the positive 12-volt battery post. Then, run the black ground power cable to the negative battery post. Next, you should connect the driver's blue remote in wire. You have two options. If the MBC's second remote out wire is available, you can use that. The other option will be connecting it to an accessory post, bus bar, or any other non-constant 12-volt power source. This is to ensure that the LED driver will see power only when the vehicle is turned on. The last thing we need to hook up is the speakers. Please note that the tweeters should be facing outwards and not inwards. Each speaker has red and black wires that go to the amp and a black plug that goes to the LED driver. Connect each speaker's red and black wire to the corresponding channel on the amp, in accordance with the speaker's position, left and right. Then connect each speaker's black plug to one of the LED driver channels. Congratulations, you've finished installing your InBar system. To ensure you've wired everything correctly, turn on the MBC controller. This should make the LED light on the HS2 amplifier turn blue and ignite the LED lights on the speakers as well. Installation notes and tips. The amplifier should be connected directly to the battery. A recommended location for mounting the amplifier, if installing on a UTV, is on the firewall behind the seats. To prevent the RCA cables from becoming loose and disconnecting during your ride, consider using duct tape or the provided heat shrink tube to secure them together. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact us at service@noamaudio.com. Thanks for watching.